As soon as we got here, we could smell the chocolate when we got off the bus.
Oh my God, that smells so delicious.
But we had no idea how much chocolate we were going to get to taste and try.
Wow.
But that's amazing. Way better than we could have expected.
I'm gonna get all these.
One of each flavor. And the ending.
I love this place. I'm not leaving.
Good morning. We are super excited. We are headed to the Lindt chocolate factory today. We are doing this on the train because we ran a little bit late. There was a lot to prep before we left our house this morning. Are you so busy? You have things to do? Places to go? Okay. We are on the 11:04 train into Zurich. From there we take a bus or walk to the factory. And we're super excited. We can't wait. Okay, we didn't record because we literally walked off the train, downstairs, upstairs, and the bus was about to leave, so we had to get on, catch it. But now we are here. As soon as we stepped off the bus, the smell of warm chocolate hit us. I don't even like chocolate, but it smells amazing. It smells like hot cocoa. Steven, though, is the one that really loves chocolate. Now we have to go because our appointment is for 11:30 and it's 11:31. Let's go. The scale of this building is so big, and it's the way they designed it, you really feel like you're in like Willy Wonka's chocolate factory or something. The chocolate fountain is huge. Okay, that was so much fun. We have so much to tell you. But before we do, we want to eat some real food.
So let's talk about where we are. So after the tour of the Lindt factory, there's a little cafe here on the side. Very reasonable prices. So we decided to have lunch here before we move on.
I got the seasonal quiche. It looks like it has some pumpkin in it, which I'm super excited about. I think it's going to be great.
Chocolate isn't the only thing they do well around these parts.
No, it was the perfect bite. It's delicious. I highly recommend the seasonal quiche.
I got a panini. Look at that cheese coming off of that thing right there. See, now I'm upset.
Now you can eat more chocolate.
The bread is buttery. The meat is delicious. The cheese stays melted. It's that Gruyere. I can never say it right. Beautiful cheese. Beautiful sandwich.
As soon as we got here, we could smell the chocolate when we got off the bus.
Oh my God, that smells so delicious.
It smelled amazing, but we had no idea how much chocolate we were going to get to taste and try.
Wow.
But that's amazing.
I'm gonna get all these.
One of each flavor.
And they chose unique ways to tell the story. First, you got this little handheld device that you put up to your ear.
It was a great audio tour. I think the audio tour was available in, it looks like 10 languages.
Then the exhibits were all different to keep you entertained about the history of chocolate, about everything they were trying to teach you. They really put a lot of thought into this place. As soon as you walk in, they take you from the beginning, like how to harvest the cocoa bean. So it was a really great exhibit. Then they take you through how it developed over the years and how Switzerland became a big part of chocolate all around the world.
And it was very informational. They taught us about everything from the farmers, history of the chocolate, cauliflower. The pods grow on the stem and inside of the branches, not where the leaves are. How it ferments, the beans, then they dry them. They took us through every single step.
Then we got a taste. And I mean, it was delicious.
I think we tried over 15 types of chocolate. We got to try 3 different chocolate fountains. White chocolate. I don't like white chocolate, but that's amazing. It's so creamy.
Wow, that it doesn't even taste like a sauce. It tastes like you're actually eating a chocolate bar.
Yeah, but it's warm.
It's moist, it's warm, it's thick, but it's so delicious.
It's milk chocolate. That one has an interesting flavor to it. I don't know.
You taste the roasted nuts inside of that one. You actually taste the beans.
Okay, this is the last one. It's the darkest, which is my favorite. This is it. The milk chocolate or whatever. I wasn't a big fan, but this is what I like. The real like thick cacao.
Yeah, that. Jesus. That is a chocolate bar. That's a deep, dark cacao. Yeah, maybe 80%, 85% cacao. Delicious. Delicious.
Are you in heaven?
I love this place. I'm not leaving.
I can feel like Lucy and work at the chocolate factory. Chocolate nuts.
All right, so Elaine's gonna play a game where she has to remove the defective chocolate bars.
I don't know which ones are all. Oh, I have to remove them. Doing the wrong thing. Then we got to try candy bars with ginger, lime, orange, nuts, all kinds of things inside. You got a good one? Where would you get one?
Right here.
Oh, that's better than mine. The last one on the end, not good.
Can't see that.
I mean, not my favorite.
There you go.
Steven is in his element.
I'm gonna get all these. Listen, I know I'm not in the most perfect shape, and I don't care.
You happy?
They have lemon.
Oh. We paid 15 francs or 17 US dollars per person to come in. But we got all those spoons full, of chocolate, 3 different types. Then there were 8 machines or more of different types of chocolate bars to try. Or 13 francs for chocolate, and the other $2 was for the audio tour and everything. It's a great deal.
It's a pretty nice deal.
After that, then we got to each take one of 6 different candies. And then the finale was we get to try one of each flavor. So there's coconut, salted caramel, a cheesecake. I didn't even know they had all these flavors. I don't really like them as much as Steven does. I'm not a big chocolate fan, so he's gonna eat most of these, but I did save these 3 for me. He's excited. He's already been eating some. All right, now we're headed to the next step. We don't know exactly what that is, but we're gonna go see what else they have.
But I got chocolate.
And then they told us at the end about how to sustainably continue to create chocolate and what they're working on to keep doing that. We got to see all of the machinery that they use. They told us a little bit of insight about their plan for using chocolate in the future, how they're going to do that. And there are a lot of chocolate brands that aren't socially responsible. They cause problems in different areas, and they use slave labor in Ghana and other countries. Lindt does not do that, and they're actually trying to get other chocolate companies to join them in sustainable ways to produce chocolate that is good for everybody. So that was awesome to learn as well.
Absolutely worth every penny. The fact that you get to tour all of the history, learn about what they're doing to conserve all the farmers that come around that produce the chocolate that we love so much, and then they give you samples. Absolutely amazing. Everything I wanted it to be.
And then we went through the candy shop and we got a couple of things ourselves. We're excited about that. Oh, I love a Christmas calendar though.
week in advance. It takes about a week in advance to get the tickets to get here. So make sure you book them early.
It only took us an hour to tour the whole exhibit. We didn't listen to all the audio, all of the audio tour. I get bored with audio tours sometimes. It took us an hour, but it could easily take you an hour and a half to 2 hours, especially if you have a bigger family. And the ending, okay, so the finale of the whole tour was a Rube Goldberg machine.
I can help you, please. That's for you. That's your home.
That you get your own little gold ball, and then it delivers you a mystery chocolate at the end. We got dark chocolate orange and dark chocolate caramel. Steven's excited about those.
Yes, I am. I'm gonna be eating chocolate every hour for the next couple of days. I am so happy at how this turned out. I would definitely come here again.
Oh, and then afterwards, if you want, if you haven't had enough and you're not ready to leave, after you go through the gift shop, you can stop at the cafe. Our lunch was so delicious. It was 20 francs for total for both of us. We didn't get a drink because we brought our own water.
But if we're gonna recommend one thing, it's this place.
And let us know if you've been here before and if you liked it, what you liked and didn't like, what you learned, or what you already knew. We'd be interested in knowing. Also, do you come back? Because this might be a place that we come to every time we're in Zurich. It's that good.
That is it from us here outside of Zurich at the Lindt Home of Chocolate. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're new around here, I'm Steven.
And I'm Elaine.
Wishing you sweet
And enriching adventures. Bye.